Good afternoon, everyone. Another day with Lady J from Stove to Stomach. Today I'm making some ackee and saltfish. Jamaican ackee and saltfish. The saltfish is already boiled on the stove, so I just go right ahead and get this off. Because it's salty, so you gotta make sure it is well boiled. The salt is out completely, or almost. So now here I go ahead and cool it down. So this is my cooling down process because I'll be preparing just now. So here's my cooling down process. I'll just break these in small pieces. Okay, there. And so we have a tin of ackee, right? So it's already cooked. It's already cooked. So I just strain this water off. I'll quickly pour some olive oil into my olive oil, very extra virgin olive oil. While that is heating, I'll just quickly cut myself some onions. And you can also use some bell pepper, or whatever option choice you choose. So there I lower that into my pot. Almost I done almost everything, so I just do the final here. So I let that now. Here I have some Maggi all-purpose seasoning and just a pinch. You can choose if you, when you taste this, if it still has a little bit there, so you don't need any of that. I'm gonna use a little paprika. It's optional, you don't have to use this, it's your choice. Just a pinch, you do not want to change. And I'm gonna use a little of my vegetable, because remember, ackee, some people say it's vegetable, some say it's, I don't know, but to me it's like vegetable. So I'm gonna add a little bit of my vegetable seasoning. Here's a little bit of white pepper. I just do a pinch, just a pinch of my white pepper. Okay. And for those who can manage some persons put a little tomato, cut up a little tomato, it's your choice. You don't have to put it. You can put your bell pepper, which I am out of a little bell pepper now, but definitely bell pepper is a must for me, but I do not have any right now. That's the reason why my bell pepper is not incorporated. And this is some spice. I will not be cutting it. I will just drop it. So you can just absorb the flavor. Now that this is, you can smell it. So then here I will now add my saltfish. You can use a little ketchup. You can use any little thing you need to enhance the flavor or the taste. You know, it's your desired taste that you want to have. So So I just let this saute a little. Yes, just right. Leave that a little. Can just put a little bit more of my Maggi seasoning. Because you want your food to be tasty, right? You want it to. Now I'm gonna empty this in here. No, this would be so nice if I had my bell pepper to give it that highlighted contrasting look. But since I do not have it, no, it's not my custom. It's not my custom to put tomato in. But now that my bell pepper is missing, I'm just gonna cut these in halves. So remember, don't tell me that's not how you do your Jamaican thing. You could use a little ketchup. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this to highlight it. Some people do use their tomato, and it's just nice just the same. So here is my white pepper. Just a little. It would be so nice if I had my bell pepper or some ketchup. Let's see. Now I'll be covering this for a few minutes, about 10 or so minutes for it to, you know, sweat. Now I'll be cutting the flame and I'll leave it. Here we have our Jamaican ackee and saltfish. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This would be good with dumpling, banana, yam. But today I am serving it with some jasmine steamed rice with dry parsley, and it's just as good. But your choice if you want to have your dumpling and your yam and your banana and your sweet potato. That's a real Jamaican yamins, man. Yeah, so if you want to get the real Jamaican yamins, get your yam and your potato and your dumpling and banana. Okay. To all my viewers who have subscribed, like, comment, thank you for that. And for those who will be seeing this for the very first time, I do crave your comment, your subscribe, and also your like. Continue to view, continue to like and subscribe until another time when your girl do another upload. Just look out, you may never know what will be next. All right, have a great day.